Good afternoon, design team. Today's video is part 2 of my fall deck makeover. So come along with me as I show you part 2. Here is my barcode. As you can see, I have a large pumpkin, 2 small pumpkins, and I've also placed the coasters. On this table here, I have part of that garland from my Goodwill haul. I just went in and added pumpkins. My pillow covers are from Amazon. And here on the table is the arrangement I made for the fall season. And most of these items were from the Dollar Tree. I hope I have inspired you with your fall decorating. If you are part of the design family, I want to thank you for stopping by. If you're not a part of the design family, I'm going to ask you to hit that subscribe, like, and comment, and come along and join our family. This is Emma, and I will be seeing you in my next video.